Hello and welcome. This is Ali Nasser, SolidWorks certified expert, and in this video I'm going to illustrate how to know the total number of bends in any sheet metal design in SolidWorks. As you can see here, I have this design. I have a multi-bodies, but each one has many bends. So how to calculate these so faster? Easily go to cut list. But first of all, you have to make sure you selected create, right click and selected create cut list automatically. Also update automatically. So you can expand here and select any cut list item, just like this. Just right click, select properties. From properties here, you can find in properties summary, bends. Here in bends, you can select each item. This item has 4 bends. Also this one, 2 bends, and so on. Like this item has 10 bends. But the question now, how to know the total number of bends in your design? To know that we have to go to file and make drawing. This is first solution in fact. So I make drawing A3 like this. Then select isometry or your current design, current view like this, and go to scale just is okay, 1 to 10. Now I can go to annotation, then tables. From tables, you can select cut list, weldment cut list. Just click OK. Here I got this table, but I have to add another column. But let me adjust this table. You can see better like this. I don't need length, or if you don't need any column, you can delete it. But just right click here like Excel and insert right column or column right. In your insert column right, you can select cut list item property. I will select bends. Title will be bends. Here I have these items. I can delete it, items I don't need like this. Just shift and select this one to this one and delete rows. Also I deleted this row or hide, just delete all. Also this one to this one, delete it, rows. That's all bends, but you don't have a total number of bends. As you can see, to get total number of bends, you have to save this table to Excel, just like this. Right click on tables and save as. I will select my location will be here in this location. I will add total number of bends. Just save. Go to your location, but here I just save it in extension SolidWorks the table, but I need to make this table for Excel. Again, save as. Select extension like this, save. Now I got Excel here, yes, just open. And first of all, you have to multiply quantity and bends. So we can select equal this one, multiply or star this. Just draw this. Now we have the total number for each bends, but I need total bends. total benders. To get total benders, you need just calculate this. Alt equal enter, you get this is 81 benders in your design. That's all about how to calculate your total bends in your design, but I have another way. But I have implemented this macro to calculate total number of bends in just click like this. If I return to my design, like here, and go to tools, from tools I will select macro, run, and go to my location. Here in my location, I just select this macro. In just moments or seconds, you will get the total number of bends easily. So as you can see, I got the total number of bends from this macro. It's same like I calculated in this Excel sheet. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you. My regards, Ali Nasser.